Which handheld air blower is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Wolfbox MegaFlow 50. Introducing the Wolfbox MegaFlow 50. This compact air duster packs a punch with a speed of 110,000 RPM. Priced at $39.99, it caught my eye with its promise of powerful cleaning without the hassle of compressed air cans. If you want a reliable way to keep your electronics dust-free, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The MegaFlow 50 features 3 adjustable speed settings, so whether you're gently blowing dust off your camera lens or tackling stubborn debris in your keyboard, this duster gives you the control you need. It's super portable, weighing just 7.2 ounces, making it easy to carry around your house or take along on outdoor adventures. Plus, the rechargeable battery lasts up to 240 minutes on the lowest setting, which is impressive for continuous use. Now, some people complained about the battery life on high settings not lasting long enough. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly using it for quick cleanups, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for anyone who wants a sustainable option instead of constantly buying canned air. This is perfect for you if you frequently clean electronics or enjoy outdoor hobbies. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for industrial use. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Now, if the MegaFlow 50's battery life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Fresmal Air Duster. The Fresmal Air Duster, available for $28.49. This one stands out for its powerful motor that hits 100,000 RPM. If you're looking to replace disposable air cans without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. With 3 adjustable speed modes, you can tailor the airflow to suit your cleaning needs. Whether it's delicate camera equipment or just blasting away crumbs from your desk, this duster does it all. Plus, it has a smart LED display that shows battery life and speed settings, so you're never left guessing. This is particularly handy since it fully charges in 3-4 hours and offers 20 to 40 minutes of continuous use. Some users mention that the nozzle attachments feel a bit flimsy, but honestly, if you're careful while using it, that's not really a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic option for casual users who want a lightweight and portable blower. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts or anyone who needs a quick cleanup tool. Skip this one if you need something more robust for heavy-duty tasks. The price makes it a great value for everyday use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more power. Product number 3, Wolfbox MF60. The Wolfbox MF60, another entry from Wolfbox, priced similarly at $39.99. This model boasts the same impressive 110,000 RPM speed and comes with 5 nozzles for different cleaning tasks. If you want versatility without compromising on power, this could be the one for you. The MF60 is designed to make cleaning quick and efficient, with 3 speed settings tailored for various surfaces. Whether you're deep cleaning your gaming rig or just dusting off your workspace, this duster has you covered. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight at just 8 ounces, making it easy to handle. However, some users have pointed out that the battery compartment can be tricky to access. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's a small price to pay for such a powerful tool. It's ideal for those who frequently clean delicate electronics. This is perfect for gamers or anyone who loves keeping their gadgets pristine. Skip this one if you need something for larger areas or heavier debris. It's a solid investment for anyone wanting to ditch the canned air. Now, if the MF60's battery access bothered you, hang tight because the next product takes things up a notch. Product number 4, Kakiwiru Air Duster. We have the Kakiwiru Air Duster, priced at just $22. What really caught my attention is its powerful 130,000 RPM speed, making it one of the strongest on this list. If you need a budget-friendly yet powerful duster, this is definitely worth checking out. This model is designed for versatility, equipped with 5 nozzles for various cleaning jobs. The added LED light is a bonus, helping you see into tight spaces while you clean. With a battery life that also provides up to 240 minutes of use on the lowest speed, you can clean without interruptions. Now, some users reported issues with its rechargeable battery not lasting as long as expected. But here's the thing, if you're using it sporadically or for light tasks, that shouldn't deter you. It's still a great option for casual cleaning. This is perfect for anyone who needs a compact and affordable cleaner. Skip this one if you're a heavy user who needs extended runtime consistently. For the price, it's an excellent value. Alright, that's a solid contender, But the last one on our list is a powerhouse that you won't want to miss. Product number 5, Wolfbox MF100. We have the Wolfbox MF100, which comes in at $79.99. This air duster is a true powerhouse, reaching speeds of up to 150,000 RPM. If you want top-tier performance, this is the one to consider. With 3 adjustable speeds and a maximum wind speed of 45 meters per second, this duster is designed for serious cleaning tasks. It even comes with 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, making it incredibly versatile for everything from electronics to outdoor gear. Plus, its battery lasts an impressive amount of time, providing up to 100 minutes of runtime on the first gear. However, some users felt it was on the pricier side compared to others, but I'll be real with you, the efficiency and durability make it worth the investment if you need something reliable for both home and outdoor use. This is perfect for tech lovers or outdoor enthusiasts who need a powerful cleaning tool. Skip this one if you're just looking for a quick dusting tool on a budget. It's a great long-term investment for anyone serious about maintaining their equipment. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-performance air duster, the MF100 is hard to beat. So we covered 5 fantastic handheld air blowers today. The Wolfbox MegaFlow 50 and MF60 are great for everyday cleaning, while the Fresmol offers a budget-friendly alternative. The Kagiwaru is perfect for those who want power without spending too much. And if you really want the best performance, the Wolfbox MF100 is where it's at. Choose the one that fits your cleaning style best and say goodbye to dust.